I would like to welcome you all in the lecture series of Python programming. In the previous class, we discussed how to install Jupyter Notebook in your Windows 10. Today, we are going to familiar how to use Jupyter Notebook. First of all, I request you to go to your main menu bar, just type Jupyter Notebook. Immediately, the window will be appeared. Afterwards, if you want, you can type some programs. Fine. Now, first we will study how to save the program. To save the program, what you are supposed to do is, you can go to File, later, Save and Checkpoint. There is one option. You can use the shortcut as Ctrl+S. Please remember and note down this point. So, wherever you want, you can choose. You can choose your own location. There is no worries about location. Wherever you want, you can find out the location and save. Possible, you can create one folder also, where all the program will be stored inside the folder. Hope you understood how to save the program. Once you save the program inside the folder, as you can see, I have created my folder. This is my folder name. Inside, you can see the program. Correct? As many program you are producing, that program will be available in that particular folder. It is better to maintain the folder so that anytime you can recall. Another one is how to give the title. Okay, suppose there are different lines. You can see this is a line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, line number 4, etc. Now, first what I want to do is I need to create the title. For the first line, I need to create the title. What I have to do? First of all, I need to create an empty row I have to create. So for that purpose, what you're supposed to do is go to Insert. There is one option called Insert. Now, click on the particular cell. Please click on the particular cell and just select the option like Insert Cell Above. This option you are supposed to select. Whenever you are using the option like Insert Cell Above, there is one vacant cell that is going to create. I hope you understood. So you can just practice it. Go to Insert, then Insert Cell Above, then vacant like one more cell will be appeared. Let me show you once. So create one cell above. See, please select this option. Go to Insert, then Insert Cell Above. Okay. Then what is going to happen? I need to provide the heading, right? So one particular cell will be generated. So like this, there is a new cell will be generated. So new line will be empty line will be generated. So in that empty line, I need to provide the heading. For that purpose, what I have to do? So please check this option. Here you can check the option. So please select the option like a heading option you are supposed to select. Please familiar by opening your Jupyter Notebook and you can familiar once. Now you can observe and you can do accordingly. So please click on the heading. You know, there are different types of heading like a single level heading, double level heading, triple level heading like that. So first of all, I would like to go for a single level heading. Okay. So for that purpose, I require only one hash is sufficient. Okay, hash. You know, in MATLAB, you will be using like this symbol. Percentage symbol will be used for commenting. But in case of our Jupyter Notebook, you will be using the hash. That is a difference, hash. Don't forget this, very important point. For commenting, you need to use hash. I hope you got my point. In MATLAB, you will be using the percentage symbol. Okay. So for the double, if I want to go for a second level heading, I need to use double hash. If I want to go for a third level heading, I need to use the triple hash. Okay. For heading, what you are supposed to do is, please click on here. You need to find out the heading. Later, you can make out accordingly. All right. Okay. So let me proceed further. So like that, you can give the different headings. So my first Python program, that is the first heading. Next is the second heading will be like a calculations. Like that I can give. So single level heading and a double level heading. If I want again, I can add. So before that, you have to create one separate empty cell. Okay. So I already told you how to create the empty cell. Like select the cell, go to Insert. Either you have to click above or below option. Hope you understood. Please make it okay. So this is the way how to give the subtitle and a heading, level 1 heading, level 2 heading in textbooks, and you might have you'll be seeing that main heading, subheading, like that you can create it. That is a very good option for our Jupyter Notebook. Okay. Yes. Now I can have the editing option. In that editing, I can delete the particular cell. I can delete it. So if I want to delete the cell, means select the particular cell, go for delete option. Your shortcut is D, correct? So directly you can do this. Okay. Then similarly, if I want to have I want to take a printout of this. So before taking, I can have a look on that. So you can go for file, then click on print preview. Select the print preview so that you will be getting so many options. What are the options available? Yes, we have different options like ASCII, doc, then hypertext markup language, HTML, LaTeX form, PDF. Different options are available. Okay, based upon the requirement, you can check it out. So this is the way how to see your program in the HTML format. HTML is nothing but hypertext markup language. Okay, this is the way how whatever I have done the program now I can have a HTML view. So if I want to have like a Python in the form of Python, I can click on this. Later, if I want to have a notepad view, so double click on the exe file and you just select notepad. So then I'll be getting the output in the form of a notepad format. So if I want, I can have the printout of this. Okay, for the record purpose or for the documentation purpose, I can have a look on this. Then how to give the line numbering? What is line numbering? Line numbering means this is actually called a line numbering. How to give the line numbering? We have two options: with the line numbering or without line numbering. It is always better to give the line numbering so that we can identify which line what is the error of that particular line if it is a complex program. So what you are supposed to do? So please click on the option view. I am telling how to give the line numbering. Go to view, select toggle line. If you select the toggle line, I can get the line numbering. Suppose I don't want to have the line numbering. What you are supposed to do? Again, you have to go to view, then click on the toggle line. It will be disabled. Okay, I hope you understood. So this is the way how to give the line numbering. It's very easy. Okay, hiding and unhiding is possible. In this session, I have just given a brief idea about how to use the Jupyter notebook. So a few more options are available that I will be letting you know in the coming session. So stay tuned. Happy learning. Thank you for watching this video.